In this video I will continue building to the page we have just started to create. We previously added some layout options to our page, which included 2 full-width containers and a few column layouts. In this video I will show you how to add text, images, videos, and to use other useful features such as toggles, tabs, and accordions. I'm using the Avada theme purchased from Theme Forest, which is a premium WordPress theme. If you're using a free WordPress theme, then you will have to do things a different way and are unlikely to have all the extra options available to you. Please check out my videos on adding content for free WordPress themes. Okay, so firstly we will add some text, and I'm going to place this in the column here, the 3rd width column on the left side of the page. So simply click and hold and then release. Now to edit this box and add our own content, we're going to click Edit Element. This now brings up what looks very much like a Microsoft Word page. You use exactly the same, it's just a basic text editor. So we're going to put a title in of how to ride a bicycle, and we're going to format this, so we want to make it a heading 1, and we'll also underline it. If you want to change the color, you can do that here, and there's a whole host of other options that you can explore. So we might want to add some basic text. This page will teach you how to ride a bicycle. And once you're happy with your content, you just click Save. Now you'll see it appears in here. Now if we decide that actually wanted to change the location, we can just click and hold and we can drag it wherever we like and then release. Similarly, if we know other areas of the page we want to create more text, we can either click and drag this, or we could duplicate this content by clicking Clone Element and it will create another one. If you want to delete the content, simply click on the little bin icon. So it's extremely easy to use and get started. Okay, so now let's add an image in this part. So if we come up, make sure your Builder Elements tab is selected. And then you have a number of image options, but for a single image you want to choose image frame. So click and hold and drag down and then release in the container that you want it. Then you're going to click on the edit element icon. There's a number of options here that you can explore, but for the most part you're probably just going to want to put the image in and set the align as center. Now you need to set the align for center for mobile device users, because frequently all the content will be shown in one long line rather than on a website page where there may be content to the left and right, so centering makes it look a lot tidier for your mobile users. So to choose your image, you're just going to click on Upload, and it will then open your media library. This is all the previous images or content that you have uploaded to your website or uploaded to your media library. So you can browse through and choose a previous image if you would like. Alternatively, if the image is not yet in your media library, click on Upload Files. You can then click Select Files and you'll then be able to choose a location from your computer. Simply navigate to the file, double click, or click Open. It will then upload the file and add it to your media library. The uploaded file will usually appear first in line, and then you just click on it and you can add. It's a good idea to give your content a title alt text and a description for search engine reasons. If you're going to do this, then intelligently label your image. For example, this image is about menus, so its title is website menu, which shouldn't really have the underline. Alt text website menu and description website menu. This can assist with search engine optimization. Click insert into page, and then once you're happy, click save. So this will now put this content in here. Okay, so now let's add a video. We're going to want a video down here and some text, so I'll quickly just duplicate this to fill up the page with some more text. And then I'm going to want to put a YouTube video in here. So to do that, from your builder elements, find the YouTube option, click and hold, and drag it down, release it in the box that you want it, and then you're going to click the edit icon. And what you need to do now is find the YouTube URL for the video you're wanting. Simply copy and paste it into here, or type it out. You can choose your width and height dimensions, autoplay if you'd like the video to start or not when the user loads the website page, and once you're happy, click save. Okay, so I'm actually going to add a URL to a video for you so that you can see it when we preview the website page, or actually view the website page for real. Okay, so we've now filled out some basic content. I was also going to show you how to use toggles, which are very useful for providing a large amount of information but actually hiding some of that information to prevent the page looking like a huge wall of text. So you click and hold, and this time we'll actually just add it to the bottom of this container. So you click on the edit, and then you're going to come down and click on toggles item 1. Give it a title, so we'll call this types of bicycle. Again, you have this kind of Word text editor. The easiest way for most people to use it is to make sure the visual is selected. If you use text, then this is where you can write in HTML code. So have the visual selected, then just enter some types of some example content. So mountain bike, road bike. Once you're happy, click save. And now I'm happy with this page. I'm going to publish it. So to do that, you update the page. It will say publish if you've never published the page before, but it's already published, so I'm going to update the page. Once that's loaded, we can then view the page by clicking view page at the top. And you can see that we've got our text with our image. Got some more text that if it was longer it would spread all the way across because it's in a full width container. Then again we've got some text in our YouTube video, and then we've got the toggle, which if you click will open to show the content. So that's just a very basic beginnings of how to add content to your website pages. This will get you a long way in creating a good website with good information for your visitors.